Russia faces crippled arms exports due to sanctions and is looking to turn to India to manufacture drones, UAVs, and other smaller weapon systems to circumvent these restrictions. The partnership will allow Russia to continue supplying its weapons buyers while avoiding sanctions and expand India's defense manufacturing capabilities and market share. Russia's offer to share its technology with Indian companies is likely to attract significant interest, potentially boosting India's defense export ambitions. India's Tejas fighter jets will be equipped with MBDA's Spear and Brimstone missiles, significantly boosting their precision strike capabilities. The Spear missile's advanced features and the Brimstone missile's proven effectiveness will make the Tejas a more versatile and powerful weapon in the IAF's arsenal. India's Air Force, IAF, will overhaul its Mi-26 helicopter fleet with Russian assistance, reviving the grounded choppers and significantly enhancing IAF's vertical heavy lift capability. The overhaul, to be done at No. 3 BRD in Chandigarh, is expected to take a year. India plans to build 6 next-gen diesel submarines entirely in-house under Project-76. Design finalization is expected within a few years, with construction starting around 2030. This ambitious project will boost India's naval prowess and solidify its maritime leadership. India's DRDO seeks industry partners for 2 key military tech: laser-based bioagent detection and a 40mm anti-personnel grenade. The lasertech, developed by DRDO's Lastech, can sniff out biothreats from a safe distance, crucial for homeland security. The HEAP grenade packs a punch within 5 meters, making it ideal for underbarrel launchers. DRDO hopes these collaborations will boost India's defense muscle and showcase its commitment to tech transfer and local production.